Hi, I am Robert from Melapress, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create passkeys and use them to log into your website. Passkeys are a secure alternative to passwords, and there are different ways how to create passkeys. In this video I'm going to show you all the different methods so you can log into your website without a password. If you have been asked to register a passkey and log in with the passkey, simply log into your website, navigate to your user profile page, scroll down and navigate to the passkey section and click Add a passkey. Here you have a description of the process and you are presented with two options: add a USB security key, add a passkey. Let's start with the easiest one, add a passkey. If I click on the button, I am prompted by the device if I want to add a passkey on my device. This prompt might vary depending on the operating system that you are using, however the process is always the same. It also depends on your hardware, because sometimes you might, for example, require to use fingerprint reading before triggering a passkey or before using a passkey, or maybe face recognition. But in this case, we're just storing a simple passkey on the device and we are just being prompted when to use it. So click continue. I am asked for my computer's password, and now the last step, I need to name my passkey. This is required because if you are using multiple passkeys, for example, one on every different device, it is good to give your passkey a name that is related to that hardware. For example, in this case, I am going to name this passkey Home Laptop. Click Submit, and the passkey has been created, and you can see it here. The name of the passkey, when it was created, and when it was last used. In this case, it was never used. That's all about it. Now, if we log out, the next time I need to log in, click on Login with Passkey, enter the username, click on Login with a passkey again, and you will be prompted by the device to use that passkey. Click Continue, and you have just logged in to your website without a password. And now I'm going to show you how to store a security key on a USB security key, such as the YubiKey that I have here. Same as before, navigate to your user profile page, scroll down to the passkey sections, click Add a passkey again, and this time I'm going to select Add a USB security key. Now I'm being prompted with this prompt. So basically I can either scan this QR code with my mobile or tablet, so the passkey is saved on that device, not on the local device, or use a security key. In this case, I'm going to insert the YubiKey and the USB slot on the laptop, and I'm being asked for a PIN to store the security key. Here I'm being requested to touch the security key again, and now I'm being asked to name the passkey. In this case, I'm going to call it security key. Submit, and that's it, saved. If I need to log in with the passkey now, I click on Login with Passkey, enter the username, click on Login with a passkey, and I'm being prompted to either insert the security key again or scan the QR code. In this case, I'm going to insert the key where the passkey has been stored. As soon as I insert the key, I'm prompted to enter the PIN, and when I enter the correct PIN, I just log in to the website without using the password. Using passkeys is this simple. You can either store a passkey on your computer or store it on an external device, such as a YubiKey or a mobile phone or a tablet, and from then onwards, you can log in without a password to the website. Thank you for watching this video.